Nobody touch the present.
Come here. Come. Let's see who it's from. What's that say on the front?
Hey, Matthew.
Who's crossing it on?
Hi.
He's doing the soccer ball dance.
Says, hope you have a ball from Aunt Kathleen and Uncle Al.
It goes with the present.
I'm a ball.
You're welcome. You haven't even opened the present yet. Oh yeah, wait.
But there's a soccer ball on the card.
Yeah.
Whoa. Another nice package.
Oh yeah. Self-contained toys. He goes, what is it, Daddy?
You can build stuff. Look at that car you can build.
It's Connect.
Look at all that.
Okay.
Sweet.
They're sort of like Legos.
It's got
You're gonna
pieces
break
you can hide
it.
all over the house. Oops. Do that again.
Do the dance again.
I like the Connect stand.
No, we're all watching now.
Alright, Aiden, get all the paper you threw everywhere.
Like in my face.